Wow, thank you everyone, and I'm so happy to be here. And what an intro, Dr. Garcia. Well, guys, Dr. Garcia is really right. Before, yung madre, lagi ako pinapaluhod sa bathroom. Nakaluhod ako doon kasi very naughty ako, you know that. So every morning, Marisa, please, mag-kneel on the platform in front. And then, syempre ako naman, takot na takot sa mami ko, laging pinapatawag sa school. And then, my sister Alice was like, small, please, tama na. Kasi, pinapatawag mother ko. So, then, nag-graduate yung ate ko, then yung next sister ko, si Melba, small, ano na naman, pinapatawag si mama. So, ayan, I'm always scared. Si Sister Michael. Yeah, very, very strict. So, guys, thank you for having me, and it's my pleasure to be here. Ang aga, ha? Guys, I'm so sleepy pa. But, of course, I'm so happy to be here, and, seeing you guys, my gosh, gusto ko na ulit, I wanna go back to school, pero hindi ko kayang maging doktor. Dr. Tanchokol, no, hindi kaya ng huta ko yan. So guys, good morning, you know what? Guys, di ako nag-serious talk. So when I was invited here, I said, what will I say? So for now, okay, let me greet first. Everyone who's here, and of course, Dr. Renato Tanchoco, the president. Hi! And Attorney Juan Crisostomo Echeverry, Executive Vice Chairman. Okay. And China Roxanne Gonzalez, Executive Vice President. Dr. Ramil V. Flores, Vice President for Academic Affairs. Hi. You and John. Dito. Guys, takot na takot ako when I heard na sa hospital. Guys, hindi ako nag-hospital, pero baka mapadalas ako dito, ha? Okay? And of course, John Tolu Carissa Santos. Hi, pretty! Assistant Vice President for Academic Affairs. And Adele Famolade, the second Vice President for Finance. Hi! And Dr. Gayo Gonzalez. Mrs. Purificacion Echeverry, not here. Okay, Dr. Stella Marie Tanchoco, and Miss Grace Veleza Alcala, Chair 120th Foundation Anniversary, and Dr. Marie Lilibet Tanchoco, Co-Chair 120th Foundation Anniversary, and department heads, and to the deans na kinakatakutan ko dati sa college, yan, vice deans, alumni, faculty members, and employees and students. Hello guys, how are you there? Hi. So guys, I'll start my foundation speech for you. Na pinrepare ko. Ako gumawa nito guys. Good morning to one and all present here. I am truly delighted to stand before you today to celebrate your school's Founders Day, a day that holds great significance in the history and tradition of your institution. It is a momentous occasion that allows you to reflect on the past, celebrate your present achievements, and look forward to a promising future. Founders Day is not just a date on the calendar. It is a reminder of the vision and dedication of those who laid the foundation of the school. Their unwavering commitment to education and the betterment of young minds set in motion a legacy that we are privileged to inherit. As we gather here today, we pay tribute to their foresight and determination which have shaped this institution into what it is today. It is essential that we take a moment to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our teachers and staff who continue to nurture the seeds planted by our founders. They provide us with the knowledge, guidance, and support that are essential for our growth and development. On this special occasion, we also celebrate the accomplishments of our students. Each one of you has contributed to the success and vibrancy of this school. Your academic achievements, extracurricular endeavors, and community involvement exemplify the values we hold dear. You are not just students. You are the future leaders, innovators, and contributors to the society, and we are proud to witness your journey. Our teachers, in many ways, carry forward the torch lit by our founders, ensuring to illuminate the young minds with the values and virtues that shall not only make them global citizens, but also compassionate human beings on earth. As a simple citizen like me, I have seen Sabadi School grow from a tender initiative into a mature organization with a rock-solid foundation of excellent values. It gives me immense satisfaction to see this metamorphosis, and I am sure all of you will come soon to a benchmark in your chosen field of education. All throughout our journey of developing the future global citizens of this planet, the educators of this school leave no stone unturned and walk that extra mile in building characters of the students that we will make this school as the institute of choice for all parents. In conclusion, Founders Day is not just a celebration of the past, but a commitment to the future. Let us honor the vision of our founders by nurturing an environment of learning, growth, and compassion. Together, we can ensure that this school continues to thrive and inspire generations to come. Thank you, and may this Founders Day be a source of inspiration and pride for all of us. So, congratulations, Manila Central University, for 120th Founding Day. And congratulations! So guys, ang galing ko mag-compose mo. This is from me. I'm really proud of myself. So guys, okay, sa mga students, syempre, all you need is to study hard, work hard. So syempre, and of course, always pray and guidance from God. That's all we need. And we have to really be serious and dedicated to your studies, to your career. So guys, you know, like me, I was just like a plain housewife from before, and I have no experience of working. And then when I came like 50 plus, then I found my career. And I was like, there was a time I was just helping my husband, and I got bored, and then I got depression, guys. So I cannot pinpoint why I'm sad today, why I was crying. And then, like, I really seek help from a doctor. I went to a psychiatrist because I don't understand why I was sad. And then, so the medication, it helped. But you know, I really prayed, and you know what? Sabi ko, what's my purpose in life? So one time I was like, you always hear this from my interviews, that one time I was with a friend, and my daughter Allison, by the way, was blogging. Blogging as in B-L-O-G, like writing. That was the uso before, the blogging. And then wow, this is nice. She was like 9 years old, and she keep on writing. She loves to write. And then when I checked the blogging, she got like 3,000 to 500 readers a day. And I said, this is so nice. But wala pang vlogging that time. Vlog, as in video, vlog, di ba? So, and when I heard my friend said, oh my gosh, I like to vlog it as small. What's that? It's like, you just talk, you just say something. Really? And then they said, I was not aware what vlogging is. And then I said, oh my gosh, I saw one video. And then we were on the plane with my whole family going to Los Angeles in the States. So everyone was like, I was talking to my husband, to my Ate Alice, we were in the plane. But when everyone was sleeping, I was the one alone, like awake. So I said, syempre, oh my God, I can start vlogging. And then I was in the plane and I said, I put out my phone and then, hi guys, you know, I'm gonna vlog na. I don't have any idea what's vlogging. And then, I just make rampa, lumakad-lakad ako sa bahay, sa LA na to. Then I asked my friend, how do I do it? Okay, I'll give an editor and papa-edit natin. So that's the start of my vlog, and then I give my videos. So the editor just, wow! It was like a 7-minute vlog. Then they said, wala kang sinabi, nagrapa ka lang na nagrapa. Intro lang. And then my friend Jamie Chua from Singapore told me, I'm sure you know her, you heard of her. So from Singapore, babe, you know, that's not the way of vlogging. You have to talk, you have to do this. Oh my gosh, I don't like that. So during the time na nag-upload ako, there was a family chat with my kids and my parents. My husband. And then I said, hello guys, FYI, I'm vlogging now. And then my daughter at 2 a.m. came to my room and said, Mommy, please don't do this. Why? In the next 4 years, don't do that. Why? Because Mom, I don't want to get bullied in school. So 4 years, okay. I was so sad because I think I have to not to do it. It will, and then DJ said, Mom, what are you doing? I want to kill myself. You're giving me depression. Mom, you're not proud of your mom. I'm so proud of myself. And then, so I did not do it. So my kids were like really stopping me. Mom, it's cringe. It's so cringy. Okay. And then, pandemic came. And that's the time I became active. And now, they're so supportive of me. There are times they want to join. There are times they don't. So guys, no matter what age, like what Michelle, who's this, the best actress? Don't let anything, what she said, a very, very nice, don't let your pride, there's something that she said in Oscars, but no matter what age you are, you can do whatever you like, what makes you happy, or you can start your career. Look at me, I'm in my 40s. And I'm like doing what I want. So guys, be encouraged and just follow your heart, follow your dreams, and be hardworking. Okay, guys. So that's it. So good morning, everyone. I'm happy to be here, and thank you for having me. I'm so honored to be here. Thank you so much, and congratulations.